Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make the bacon, egg, and cheese wrap that you make at Dunkin Donuts. First, you're going to need some bacon. Then I'm going to add some ham to it, makes it even better. I'm going to put some tortillas, some cheddar cheese, Swiss cheese, and eggs. And then, of course, you're going to need the pan. Alright, so now you're going to grab the tortilla. And then you're going to put it right there. Then you're going to let that sit for a while and just let it toast on back. Alright, so you're only going to want it on there for a little bit, not super long, just so that it gets a little extra toasted before you put it in the oven. You're going to grab it, and then you're going to put it in here. So now, you're going to get the cheese, and you're going to put it on here. So you put the cheese in there, you're going to close it. Hello, dog. Then you're going to turn it on, and then put it on toast, and then just set it for, let's do 5 minutes and 30 and change it up. So now you're just gonna let the cheese melt in there. Might want to turn on the light and just take it out when the cheese is. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna take 2 eggs from it, and you're going to pop them in here. Now that you have both of the eggs in there, you're going to pop the yolks like that. Just a nice simple pop. You're going to make sure that it's a big light egg, so you're going to want to that piece off and put it over there, because you want it to be about that length. And then, so once this egg is done, you're going to take it out and put one more egg that cooks separate. It's been cooking. So since I put the tortilla on it and it's on a pretty good temperature, the pan is already hot, so it'll be even faster to cook. So you're going to grab it like that and then just flip it. And look, first try, easy. And look how good that looks. And get some ham. Put the ham on top of it. And you don't need to put cheese, since the cheese will be on the tortilla. This is going to be very good. And it's not too hot, so I'm touching it. So yeah, just a little bit. So now, once it's been cooking for a little, you're going to get it again. And then flip it. It doesn't really matter if the ham falls off, because it's going to be like a bit soaked. Once you put the tortilla on the plate, look how good that looks. Look how it's divided as well. You're going to grab this and flip it over. You see how some of the ham is on it? It's fine if some is not. So now you're going to lay that on there and then just get these pieces of ham. Then you're going to put it back on. You're going to want to put bacon on it. Bacon. If you don't like bacon, that's how juicy you want to bacon is good. Now that you have all the pieces of bacon, you're going to wait a while until it cooks, and then after that you're going to put it on here. Once it starts to settle down on the screen, you're going to want to grab the bacon, and then you're just going to flip it over. Look at that beautiful color it has. Sorry for the background quality. So yeah, you just want to flip it over like that, and make sure to flip all of them. And look how good that looks. That juicy, how it's like yummy. But the bacon is cooked good. Now you're going to grab it, and you're just going to lay the pieces on top of it. Have a delicious bacon, egg, and ham cheese wrap, and now you're going to add a little bit more. So now you're going to get some honey, some cayenne hot sauce, some syrup, and then some salsa. So yeah, and you're gonna put them all into this bowl. So first, you're gonna get the salsa, because that's gonna be the what is called the base or whatever. You're going to get not too much, because you don't want too much of the sauce, and then you're gonna put it. Next, you're gonna pull the syrup in, just like that. You're gonna get some honey. This is a very good honey, golden blossom honey. Highly recommend. You're going to put some in there. If it ever comes out, honey is pretty thick. I like honey, so I'm putting a good bit in it, just a little bit, so yeah. And last but not least, you're going to need some cayenne hot sauce. So you're going to put just a little bit in there. You don't want too spicy. And then you're going to put some more syrup in at the end of it, just to make it a little bit better. You're going to get a whisker and then just whisk it around, and it's going to be very good. Once you made the sauce, now you're going to put it in there and just put it on there. As you can see, I put some of it on it. I like a lot of it, and it's really good. So now you're just gonna sprinkle on top of it. You have your bacon, egg, and cheese ham wrap, and it's gonna be really good. Trust me. Now once you've done all that, you got a delicious wrap, some delicious grapes, and some orange juice. Hope you guys can follow this. It was really good. I would 10 out of 10 recommend. This will be delicious to eat. Hope you guys enjoy. Drop a like and subscribe. let's get to 1,000 subs before the end of this month. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.